In this Mastercam tutorial, we are going to explain how to use two different planes in top as well as bottom for design and drafting as well as for CNC programming. You no need to change or no need to save the part model for 2 times. Instead of 2 times, you can take only 1 time and you can work with both top as well as bottom. Whether it may be modeling modifications or you can go for CNC milling operations. See this model. Here it is written Mastercam 25, it is projection part. Here 2 simple blocks are there. You can do CNC programming top as well as see the bottom. Here bottom is also there. Here 2 pocketing operations are there. So you can work with both top as well as bottom. In this case, if you are knowing that exact height, you can put height. If you don't know anything, the small first and simple to find the maximum height, go to wireframe model and go to bounding box and select all and go to end selections. Then it will select the highest distance of that. See, the Z distance is 50, maybe 50.1, 50.2 as per your model it will take. Then you have to put corner points for EC, WCS and construction plane as well as center point. Then OK. Now you see it is automatically created points in corner and it is creating that planes. So it is easier to work with WCS at any place. Now we will use with here create new plane, go to dynamic and take this one. You can click it. Now you can move with any directions as you like. For if you want to with here X axis, you can put 180. If you want to rotate here also, whatever you want it, you can move it here. And you want to rotate here X, Y, Z, here I will rotate like this. See, this is my X axis, this is my Y axis, this is on my Z axis. Now I can give any one name. Maybe I am considering this is contour or projection. I make it contour. Then go to advanced. Then you have to compulsorily click view sheet, both create view sheet and save bookmark. Then OK. Now it is created. Now you will see this contour portion is there. You have to right click it and save view sheet as bookmark. In this case you can go for view and you can make it isometric or you can increase or decrease here. Now it is saved in that one. Now we will work with bottom operations here. In this case, again you will go dynamic and take dynamic here and you can rotate like this. You can put maybe pocket operations. because in bottom we have to work with bottom. In advance you have to check whether you have clicked both. Then packet operation is coming. Now you can rotate as you like, whatever you want to do it. Then make it isometric like this. Then you have to right click and save in this way. Now you can go and see if you are clicking contour, that you can work with top, whether you can modify design or you can do CNC programming in top surface. If you are clicking that packet, you will work with packet operations or you can modify by design. Here also you can do it. If you are clicking here, it will show that contour. If you are clicking here, you will see that it is available in both. See, you can work with both at the time. In this way you can work with two different planes for design and modeling or for using Mastercam operations.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.